Hello students, welcome back to my channel, that is Study with Prabin sir. Today we will solve more previous year questions on chapter ratio and proportion. These questions are frequently coming on your exams such as CGL, CHSL, MTS, CPO and GD of SSC. So let's get started. Now question number 31. There is a ratio of 5:4 between two numbers. If 40% of the first is 12, then 50% of the second is dash. Listen, here we have to find out what is 50% of the second number. Now two numbers are, the ratios are given as follows: 5:4. Now 40% of the first is 12. Now 40% of first is equal to 12. So 1% is equal to 12 by 40, and 100% is equal to, here 100% means that is the first number. 100% of the first is equal to 12 by 40 into 100. So that is equal to, here this 0 cancels this 0, and 4 3s are 12. So this is equal to 30. Now that means first number is 30. Here first number is 30. Now first number means that is 5x. So 5x is equal to 30. 5x is equal to 30. Now x is equal to 30 by 5. So that is equal to 6. And second number is 4x. Here second number is equal to 4x. So that is equal to 4 into 6. So that is equal to 24. Now here we have to find the second number, 50% of the second number. That means here our second number is 24. Now 50% of 24, we have to find out 50% of 24. So that is equal to, so 50% of 24. So that is equal to 50% means 1 by 2 into 24. So that is equal to, here it is 12. So that is equal to 12. That means here option 1 is the right answer. Now next question, that is question number 32. The ratio of the number of boys and girls in a school is 8:12. Boys is to girls. It is given that 8:12. Now if 50% of the boys, 50% of the boys and 25% of the girls are getting scholarship. So scholarship, those who are getting scholarship, so that is equal to 50% means 1 by 2 of 8x. Here because boys are 8x and girls are 12x. So that is equal to 4x. Now this is the boy, those are getting scholarships, and the number of girls who are getting scholarships are 25% of the number of girls. So here 25% means 1 by 4 of 12x. So that is equal to 3x. Now these are getting scholarships. Now total is 8x plus 12x. So that is equal to 20x. That means the total number of boys and girls are 20x. Now out of these, here 4x and 3x, that means 4x, these are the numbers of boys, and 3x, these are the numbers of girls. Now these are getting scholarships. That means out of 20x total, the total is 20x. Now getting scholarship is equal to 4x plus 3x. So that is equal to 7x. So here, so not getting scholarships are not getting scholarships are not getting scholarships are 20x minus 7x. So that is equal to 13x. Now their percentage is equal to, so here not getting scholarships are 13x, total students are 20x, so their percentage is, that means we have to multiply it with 100. So that is equal to, here this x cancels this x, 25s are 100, 13 5s are 65. That means 65% of the students who are not getting scholarships. That means your option 1 is the right answer. Now next question, that is question number 33. Now listen, I have given the link of this chapter in my description section. That means you can watch this full chapter by clicking that description. By clicking the link that is given in my description section. Now question number 33. The sum of three numbers is 98 if the ratio of the first to the second is 2:3 and that of the second to the third is 5:8, then the second number is, that means here we have to find out the second number. Now three numbers are given. So here first is to second is to third. Here the ratio between first and second is 2:3 and the ratio between second and third is 5:8. So their combined ratio is here 5 2s are 10 is to 5 3s are 15 is to 3 8s are 24. Now this is their compound ratio. Here we have to find out the second number. So here second number is equal to 15 divided by 10 plus 15 plus 24, so that is equal to 49. So 15 by 49 into 98, so that is equal to 49 twos are 98, so 15 twos are 30. That means here option 3 is the right answer. Now next question. So this is the last question of this video. Question number 34. When a particular number is subtracted from each of 7, 9, 11 and 15, the resulting numbers are in the proportion. The number to be subtracted is, now listen, I have to solve this question by two methods. First, the general method. Now it is given that suppose I have to subtract x from each of the numbers. Now 7 minus x divided by 9 minus x, so that is equal to 11 minus x divided by 15 minus x. Now as these numbers are in proportion, that means this should be their equation. Now this implies after cross multiplication, so it is 7 minus x into 15 minus x, so that is equal to 9 minus x into 11 minus x. So that is equal to, this implies 7 into 15, 105 minus 7x minus 15x plus x square, that is equal to 99 minus 9x minus 11x plus x square. Now here this x square cancels this x square. Now this implies here 105 minus 22x is equal to 99 minus 20x. So this implies 105 minus 99 is equal to 22x minus 20x. So this implies 6 is equal to 2x. This implies x is equal to 6 by 2, so that is equal to 3. That means if we are subtracting 3 from each number, then we will get these numbers in their proportion. Now next method, that is, listen, here we have to subtract these, that means it is given that When a particular number is subtracted from each of 7, 9, 11 and 15, the resulting numbers are in proportion. That means this type of questions, here if we are going through the options, then it will be easy for us to calculate. Now how we have to calculate? Now here these numbers are 7, 9, 11, 15. The number should be in their proportion. That means after subtracting, the numbers should be in their proportion. Now if we are subtracting 1, then it will be 6, it will be 8, it will be 10, and it will be 14. Now here, for the numbers to be in proportion, the product of extreme terms is equal to product of mean terms. But here 14 into 6 is 84 and 10 into 8 is 80. That means both numbers are not equal to. So this option is not the correct answer. Now next, suppose we are subtracting 2 from each of the numbers, then it will be 5, 7, 9, 13. Now here product of extreme terms should be equal to product of mean terms, but this is not equal to. That means your option 2 is not a right answer. Now if we are subtracting 3 from each of the terms, then it will be 7 minus 3, that is 4, 9 minus 3, that is 6, 11 minus 3, that is 8, 15 minus 3, that is 12. Here look, product of extreme terms, that means 4 into 12 is equal to product of mean terms, that is 6 into 8. That means here option 3 is the right answer. So students, if you like this video, then please share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive updates on new videos. Thank you.